Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So today is Saturday and this is the 5th day of MECQ and most of us are staying at home. Right now, business is very slow and I think most of us walang work, walang pasok. We are all worried about the uncertainties of the current situation. We don't know what will happen, hanggang kailan magkakaroon ng vaccine or gamot for coronavirus. It's hard for everyone. Life is hard right now. I think the least that we can do is to stay positive, and right now since walang slow business or walang pasok, we just have to keep ourselves busy at home. So ngayon, nag-iisip ako ng activity namin ni Luke. So iniisip ko, we will unbox his learning board. Bumili kami ng learning board online. I'm going to make a schedule for his daily homeschooling activity. So, yun ang naisip ko. Gagawa kami ng isang activity every day. I'm going to show it to you. At least meron gawin and matuto si Luke. I think this is the best time to teach our toddlers, our children. Kasi hindi masyadong busy. Come here, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, hi everyone!
Hi.
So, we're going to unbox this learning board, learning writing board. Okay. You show it to everyone. Show this. Show the learning board. Show the box to everybody.
Hi.
Hi everyone! So, here it is. Sorry. So, here's the learning board that we ordered online. I'm going to show it to everyone. Okay, here. Alright, show it to them. You like your learning board?
Zombie shark.
Zombie shark. Ayan, guys, I bought it online for only 600 pesos.
Zombie shark.
So, isang set na siya. Ayan, nakakatawa. Nag-enjoy si Luke mag-drawing. Okay, you sing with Daddy.
What's this? Ready?
Where's letter E? There. Okay, put there. Near letter D.
Okay, baby.
D.
F. Where's letter F? There. Okay, put beside letter E.
Wow.
Well, and guys, this learning board is perfect for 3 years old and above, and lalo dun sa mga toddlers na mahilig mag-draw and magsulat-sulat.
Where's the fin?
Where's the eye? That one eye big. Oh, big.
Thank you for watching and see you on our next vlog.